Kenyatta, the 4th President of the Republic of Kenya. He had, as of yesterday, planned to join us here, and in fact, he had spoken to Kimunya, but due to unavoidable circumstances, he was not able to join us this morning. But as you all know, Kimunya worked very, very closely with our 4th President. He also worked very, very closely with our 3rd President, Mwai Kibaki. And amongst us also, we have colleagues who served with Kimunya and our 3rd President and our 4th President. The Honorable Tuju is here. I've seen the Honorable Masharia. We have the Honorable Waziri wa Corona, ako wapi? Mutahi Kagwe, who used to say, you can get it, I can get it, anybody can get it. We are here to stand in solidarity with our brother Kimunya, with whom we traveled the journey of transformation over a great nation under both our 3rd President Mwai Kibaki and under our 4th President. We were partners in that journey. But there were days, there were weeks, there were months, there were years we were not with him. His true partner was Lucy, who traveled with him, he has said, over 40 years. And indeed, it is a big blow for you to lose such a partner. And we are here to say pole and to pray that the good Lord gives you the strength to bear your loss and your pain. Otherwise, we are all very, very grateful that we could be here to stand with the family. And I want to give the opportunity to His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to bring our principal. But just to say, as he comes, Lucy has brought us together. In this church, we have people from across the political divide. It reminds me of a time when we came before this same shrine to mourn my sister-in-law, Yvonne. And that time, we had just formed government, and our president had been sworn in at Kasarani. But a few days before we came here, the people's president had been sworn in at Uhuru Park. So as we sat here, I was addressing and inviting the family to speak. I was told the leader of the opposition, the people's president, has just walked into church. I panicked. I was Uhuru's minister. I didn't know how I was going to address him. But years later, we came together on the same side. It tells you, just as Lucy has brought us together, just as Yvonne brought us together, that we are all children of the same God, and we are also children of the same motherland called Kenya. So let us work together, let us walk together, and Stephen, please come and pay your condolences. Thank you.
Our brother Kimunya and the family, our friends, the clergy, fellow mourners, I noticed the program was precise. You're supposed to have left this place by 12:15. And I want to respect that. I know that both Lucy and Amos are sticklers for time. I worked with them, and Mzee Kibaki. And I know the wishes you have for your beloved wife. I have absolutely no intention of making any further comment other than to say we stand with you. At times like this, somebody has just to show up. I just showed up. I was away and I learned of what happened. And I said I must show up. Even as we go to mourn with others who are bereaved, let us stay together as a nation, pray for each other. Ndugu Raila, tafadhali kuja tu useme pole.